Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story posting problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the settings on your Android phone. This is the settings, as you can see. Go to it. And now all what you have to do is so simple. Scroll down, go to Apps Manager. And after you go to the Apps Manager, now all what you have to do, go to Apps again here in the top. And now all what you have to do is simple. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. And now all what you have to do is click on force stop. And after you click on it, go to the permissions and make sure to enable the camera and the location and the microphone. Go back. And now the last step is simple. Go to the storage and click on clear cache. And after that, restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.